Okay, and the video of cleaning out the work refrigerator goes on. Now, this was contestant number one, as you recall from the last video. This was the sour cream. Contestant number two is what we call something unrecognizable that has become part of nature. Since then, we found contestant number three, which I'm not 100% certain. It looks like the end of pizza. Then we found contestant number four. There's contestant number four. Contestant number five. Contestant number six, which is, I'm not sure if this is still something that, you know. But so far, vote for your favorites. Contestant number one, which is the sour cream. Contestant number two, we'll call that force of nature. Number three is what's left of the pizza. Number four looks like some Chinese takeout that was never eaten. Number five is very interesting. It looks like some sausage, some type of sausage. And number six is some type of bologna, ham and cheese, that's kind of become something other. So here we are, the work refrigerator, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, and the good news is we have a lot more to go. You know what? Just for fun, let's open one while we're all here together. Let's see if we can get this one open. Let's see if this one. Okay. All right. This is a chimichanga. Let's get an expiration date on this. Does it have an expiration date? No, it has not. Let's see. No, I actually cannot find an expiration date on this, but it was in the back. So I would not suggest, it says best or estimated. I'm not sure if that's, I don't know, April 2018 maybe? I don't know. Well, we've got that one. Let's see what else. There's something further in the back here. Okay, let's go with the furthest one in the back. My gut feeling would be that this one's going to be something interesting. This one is going to be, this could be the winner, ladies and gentlemen. I think this may be hazardous to my health to be opening this, but I think we're going to open it on camera to see what it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is some sort of a burrito. I believe that's contestant number 7 or 8. Yeah, that's contestant number 8. So we're pretty much, as you recall, there we are. So. All right, well, the newest one from the work refrigerator. Thank you very much. Please look to the next video. We have a whole lot more to look at. And it looks like right now we have 8 contestants. We have contestant number 1, regular sour cream, something that looks very interesting. Contestant number 2, force of nature. Contestant number 3, I guess something left from pizza. Contestant number 4, the Asian surprise. Number 5, the sausage and buns. Number 6, we have the ham and cheese, I guess. And our recent contestant, number 7, is the Good Times burrito. Well, I look forward to you guys looking at the next video. Don't forget the number of the order, so you can please bid down below. Let me know who's your vote for your favorite item left in the work refrigerator. And I think we might still have something else. Yeah, we have some stuff up there. I'll have to save that for the next video.